Hello and welcome to this gentle yoga class for Overwhelm. It is part 1 of the 3-part Fill Your Cup series and gives you the opportunity to slow down and release tension. Now when you're ready to begin, make your way onto your back and hug your knees in. Draw circles with your knees as big or as small as you wish. Reverse the movement. Ground your feet and open into butterfly. Relax your body and focus on your breath. Gently bring your knees together. Place your right ankle to your left knee. Open your arms to the side. And let your legs sink to the left, so your right foot comes down, right knee points up. To create a bit more space, you can move your left foot a bit closer to the right. Return to center, ground your right foot, and other side. Left ankle to right knee, twisting to the right. Release, hug your knees in, and roll like a ball 3 times to roll yourself up to seated. Cross your legs, close your eyes if that feels good. And we're going to do a couple rounds of extended exhale. So inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 2, 3, 4, and exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep going at your own pace, extending your exhale. Return to your natural breath and make your way into tabletop for a cat-cows. Inhale, drop your belly, and exhale round. Couple more. With your next inhalation, tuck your toes. And exhale, hovering tabletop, tapping into your strength. Now lift into downward dog and add any movement you wish. Find stillness. And for pigeon, bring your right knee to your right hand. Lower onto your forearms, option to place a blanket underneath your right hip. And if it feels good, unite your palms, bring your thumbs to the bridge of your nose, and carefully rest your head on them to feel a gentle pressure. This is a spot we often touch if a headache or stress comes up, so just explore how this feels here. Slowly rise up, draw your back leg, your left leg forward, and place your left knee over your right for shoelace. Try to keep your back straight. Breathe. And then extend your bottom leg to stretch into the back of your right leg. Support your right knee with your hands and gently fold forward. Slowly return to tabletop, cross your legs or bring them to one side to step back. Tuck your toes, another short hovering tabletop, and downward facing dog. Pigeon, left knee to your left hand and lower down, finding your preferred variation. Make sure you're aligned and not dropping onto the outside of your left hip. Rise up, stack your right knee over your left, allowing your top right knee to sink down. And then extend your bottom leg for a deep stretch. Slowly return to tabletop. And melting heart, walk your hands forward, your chest sinks down. Press evenly through the tops of your feet, your hands, you're not resting just on your knees. And lower onto your belly, your head resting on your hands. For a quad stretch, use your right hand to draw your right foot to your glutes, maybe gently moving your pelvis towards the mat to deepen the stretch. And switch side, drawing your left foot in. If you'd like to try bow pose, bring your right foot in, flex your feet, and try to lift your chest and thighs off of the mat as you keep your knees closed. Release onto your belly, just rest. And make your way into child's pose, arms resting by your sides. Come into a comfortable seat. Inhale, both arms high. And exhale, twist to the right, left hand to right knee. Inhale, stretch your right arm over to the left. And exhale, twist to the right. Option to wrap your right arm around your lower back to deepen the stretch. Inhale to center, reach your arms high. And exhale, twist to the left. Inhale to stretch your left arm over to the right. Exhale, twist. And again, wrap your left arm around your lower back if that feels good for you. Inhale, reach your arms high. And exhale, hands to heart, thanking yourself for taking time to practice today. Thank you for joining me. I hope this flow brought you a sense of calm that you can take with you into your day.